Hi guys, welcome to the lesson number 2 of Learn Avathi Grammar. And in today's lesson, we will be learning about adjectives in Avadhi language. So, what is an adjective? An adjective is a word that modifies or describes a noun or a pronoun. It gives more information about the characteristics, qualities, or properties of the noun or the pronoun. For example, you have a phone. Now, that phone is a new phone. So, that new, the word new tells that you have bought this phone recently. So the word new is adjective. Someone has an old phone. Old is also an adjective. So now let's learn about some adjectives in Avadhi language. The first one is new, which is known as nava in Avadhi. Nava. हमारे बस्ता एकदम नवा है. हमारे फोन एकदम नवा है. It means my bag is completely new. I have a new phone. For old, there is a word known as पुरान. हमारे कपड़ा बहुत पुरान हो गया है. My clothes have become too old. Small is छोट. हमारी लंबाई छोटा है. It means my height is small. Big is known as बड़का. ओके घरा बहुत बड़का और बड़ा है. ओके घरा बहुत बड़ा है. ओके घरा बहुत बड़का है. Near is known as नगीचे. तने नगीचे आवा. It means come here or come slightly here. Basically, someone is calling someone else near them. So, tani nagiche ava, come little closer. Far is दूरी. दिल्ली बहुत दूरी है. ऊंच और हाई. It is known as ऊंच. वो भीटा बहुत ऊंचा है. ऊ is that भीटा is hill. बहुत ऊंचा है. That hill is too high. Low is known as नीच. ढेर नीच जिंजा. Don't go too low. Deep is known as गहिर. तलौना बहुत गहिरा है. It means the pond is too deep. Sweet is known as meat. तस्मई बहुत मीठिया है. Tasmai is also known as kheer, or I'm not sure whether both the dishes are same, but tasmai is also a sweet dish and kheer is also a sweet dish. So tasmai बहुत मीठिया है और खीर बहुत मीठिया है. Tasmai is very sweet. Kheer is very sweet. Bitter is known as तीत. मिर्ची बहुत तीतिया है. The chili is very bitter. Hot is known as गरम. हमका चाहिए गरम देहा. Give me tea that is hot. Cold is known as जुड़ान. भात एकदम जुड़ान बा. It means rice is completely cold. Rich is known as अमीर. वह बहुत अमीरा हैं. It means they are very rich. Poor is usually known as दलिद्र. Uh, I want to tell my viewers not to take this word otherwise. But what I have heard is, if you want to address someone who is broke or does not have money, people just say दलिद्र. So वो तो एकदम दलिद्र है. It means he is completely broke. He does not have anything. Full is known as भरा. ओकरे बहुत पैसा भरा बा. He has a lot of money. Empty or vacant is known as soon. अब हमारे गौना soon होएगा है. It means now our village has become vacant or silent. It does not have people. It does not have any hustle or bustle. green, or if you want to describe someone which is of green color, you can call it as हरियर. हमरे लगे एक ठो हरियर साड़िया है. So it means I have a sari that is of green color. Good is known as बढ़िया. तुम्हारा कपड़ा बहुत बढ़िया बा. It means your clothes are very good. Bad known as बेकार. उनका ये गाड़ी एकदम बेकार है. It means their vehicle or car or bike is bad. So these were some adjectives that we have learned today. In the upcoming lessons, we will learn about adverbs and prepositions. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.